Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Using Info channel. Today I'm going to show you some couple of top tricks of your Marshall Kilburn III speaker. So, here as you can see we do have our application, so this is the first top trick for me to you. I think that having the application for managing the speaker is the best option as I think, because it's just easier to manage using the app than these buttons on the speaker. Apart from that, as for the application, we do have here equalizer. If we tap that, we can have the first, which is the original Marshall sound, or the second, and we can create our custom presets or set some presets. We have mid reduction, treble boost, mid boost, bass boost, and custom Marshall. I think it's very nice from Marshall to give us this. Apart from that, we have some we can call displacement compensation, and if we tap that, we can do a quick survey, which our speaker automatically detects, but it doesn't matter, and it should increase the sound quality for us. Is the speaker close on an edge? Yes or no? And is the speaker close to a wall? No, yes, a corner. So, apart from the horizon compensation, here we do have some radio, which is here, listen to broadcast. On my application it doesn't work because I'm in the basement, but forget it should. So I'm back now, and to use it you just have to open that. I'm in the basement right now, so that's why it doesn't work. Don't worry. Here we do have something called in the M button, and as you can see on the speaker it's here. Using the M button we can set it to equalize and change the equalizer presets. That easy, that's that good. Here we have the battery preservation, which is the battery saver, and we can set it from the none to maximum. And here we have three options. Will be set one after another. From maximum charge limited to the charging speed lowered. And the last top trick for me to use is standby timeout. Here we can just set the auto feature when our speaker is unused. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.